Well, we're up here on the 4th floor of the Hyatt Regency in downtown Tulsa, Oklahoma. And we are actually staying here tonight. So I'm gonna give you all a room tour. Unfortunately, this is the lowest guest floor. We couldn't get a higher floor than this, but oh well. But with that said, tonight we're staying in room 406. So let's go. So let's look at our security features. We got the deadbolt, and then we have this. We got the evacuation map right here. And then you got the peephole. And then as you enter, you're greeted with this little coffee making station, I guess. We have a coffee maker right here. Coffee creamer, coffee cups, coffee beans. We got the ice container. Hey there. Pretty nice table. And then right here is the closet, which comes with an ironing board and a safe. Got a bunch of hangers up here. Overall, a pretty spacious closet. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. I'm gonna come in here and shut the door actually. This bathroom is a little bit on the small side, so I'm not a big fan if I'm being totally honest. And I mean, the lighting in here, it's pretty gloomy because all you have is this mirror light. We got body lotion right here, bar soap, makeup remover wipes, sink, water pressure is good. We got cups, tissues, extra mirror, toilet paper, trash can, towels, washcloths, hair dryer, and an extra toilet paper. Here's the commode, a little outdated. And then we have the shower, bit of an outdated nozzle. And we have mark right here of some sort. I mean, I feel like this could have been cleaned a little better, but it's got conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. I'm seeing a couple of chips in the ceiling right there, but otherwise, bathroom's okay. Not a big fan of the size of it, but it's adequate. Now we'll come into the room itself. We've got a 2 double or 2 queen, something like that. I mean, the size of the room, it's pretty nice. We got the thermostat right here. It was pretty freezing when we first arrived. They had it turned down to like 60. So it was pretty cold, but thankfully that's adjusted. We have a Samsung TV right here. Definitely not the biggest, and I think it's starting to show its age. We got a guest guidebook for the city of Tulsa. I will say this dresser is pretty nice. We have a pretty big fridge. I mean, it's like pretty darn big. So yeah. That's pretty nice. We have some trash cans over here. Please excuse our stuff. We have a desk, pretty nice and spacious. There's the menu for the restaurant. That's a brand new restaurant. It just opened apparently. Then we have the phone. Definitely looks a little on the vintage side. Let's get a view. You get an okay view, I guess. And no, unfortunately, this balcony is not accessible. This door is like locked, so you can't unlock it. Otherwise, the view's decent. Not much sights to see though. Got a chair right here. And we'll come over to the nightstand now, I guess. We got an iHome alarm clock right here. And a lamp with some power outlets on it. This drawer's got the Bible. So yeah, I mean, nightstand's pretty adequate. Might as well test the comfiness of these beds. Pretty comfy mattress. These pillows are nice and soft too. Now, let's check for cleanliness. Nothing on these pillows. Okay. I think we're good on this bed. Okay, cleanliness, we're doing pretty good. So, beds, I'd say they're pretty nice. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep with them. These nightstands look pretty nice too. So I think I covered pretty much everything in this room. You got the smoke detector up there. So I mean, it's an adequate hotel room. I can tell a bit of stuff's been redone, like these beds, they definitely look a bit new. I think this TV could be replaced at some point. And bathroom definitely needs a bit of a renovation. That's my biggest pet peeve with this room. But otherwise, it's adequate. All you need is a bed and a pillow and blankets. So the beds are good enough. But for the price, I mean, this room's nice. It's not the fanciest hotel, but if you're a low budget traveler, this room should fit your needs. It's not too fancy, but it'll work. But that said, I think that's gonna wrap up this room tour. So thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free, you can always change your mind later. And I guess I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.